Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I almost said Saturday, but it's Sunday. Welcome everybody. I just have to say I am so blessed because I got people to talk to. I get notifications. I get to talk to y'all. So just welcome. Welcome everybody. Thanks for taking your time to stop by. If I had more minutes, because my phone's only giving me 4 minutes, I don't know why. Well, I've been taking some pictures today because, I teach, as I told you guys, I do the children's church, and my friend here, Jody, she does children's church. Eric does the sound. See, there's Eric. And, but they threw me a little party today, so that was a shocker. So I was taking a couple pictures, and I guess I plugged up the phone. But anyway, so this is my Dollar Tree haul, and we were looking for those Kool-Aid drinks because we have a little refrigerator, and it froze the drink. So then when Eric sat it outside because it's hot, and but I cut the top and I was able to eat it like a snowball, like a chunky snowball, but it was good. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm on the hunt for more because I'm like, I can freeze them puppies and let them melt a little bit, and then anyway. So, but no, couldn't find it. I got a generic one, but I'll show you in a minute. So I got this body wash, the cucumber and tea. I had the other one with me, and this is a 16 fluid ounce. This, I smelled it. This is good. The pomegranate one. The pomegranate is awesome. Oh my gosh, awesome! It makes you soft and smooth, and yeah. Go figure, a man put this stuff. He put this with my juice. And there's the one I'm talking about, the pomegranate lemon verbena. This is amazing. This is 16. It says if you like Dove, and I like Dove. Well, I love Dove, so I got that one. Put it in the dashboard. That's where it goes. And then these are pretty good. These remind me of those Flavor Ice, pops. This is the cherry. I'm going to try to freeze these and see if they'll, do like what the Kool-Aid is doing. There you go, Eric. You can have them back. I finally found the containers, guys, that I wanted for the bathroom shelf. So I got 4 of these little ones. I don't know why I picked 4. I just picked 4. So I think I have 4 in black and 4 in red. So I get to choose what color I want. I couldn't find the white. I'm kind of glad I didn't. I got 1 more sheet of these because these are just too daggone cute. And I told myself, no, you didn't need these. But then I thought, then really fastly, I talked myself back into them because I'm like, you can put these in your purse because they're nice and small. The Paper Mate mini ink joys. All kinds of colors. I mean, rainbow. Pink, red, orange, gray, black. There's a gray one? Oh, is that brown? Oh, no, that's brown. I know, but shush, get off. Okay, I gotta get faster. I found a little frog. Look at his face. He's a Webkins. But isn't he cute? Little fat thing. Looks like me. Okay. This was new. The little notepad journal thing. And then there was only 1 of these, which I was bummed. I don't know how to wear these puppies, but these were just too beautiful to pass up. And then I found these ones. I liked them because they look small. Like smaller than normal, because the ones on my thumb really don't work and they hurt. So, yep, that's it. Oh, no, hold on. So, we got Jody a lemonade that I'm ready to drink, and Eric got me a water, and what do you have? Eric had a Pepsi, a Diet Pepsi, whatever. So, I think that's it, guys. Like 40 seconds. So, here's another look at my notepad. I don't know. Here, it's blinking at me now. I'm trying to see if I can hurry up. Oh. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Okay, yeah, it's just regular paper. But I thought that was pretty nice. It's pretty thick. Okay, guys, so before this thing shuts off, let's get right to. So have a great Sunday. Have a blessed week. I hope it rocks. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.